how did this become this become this?
To find out, kindly keep watching.
Sorry, can I pray?
Yes, sure.
Father, I thank you for this time. Thank you for bringing her here safely, Lord. I ask, oh God, that even as she's about to start, as I will inspire her, as that you will help her, guide her on what to do. There will be no mistakes, there will be no errors from the Holy Spirit that come in this place. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, thank you.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Tife here, and today's video is a makeup tutorial on this beautiful light skin lady. First of all, I'm using the Micellar primer to go over her skin. She has a really sensitive skin and she really wanted a lightweight makeup, so I said not to apply too much products on her skin because she reacts really bad to products. So yeah, if you're in Nigeria and you need this Micellar foundation, definitely is a must-have. You can just slide into my DM and we'll talk about that. So this is me applying the Micellar foundation with a bit of Blossom foundation all mixed together to give me this even tone. And you know already my basic, like, you just have to blend. Take your time and blend properly. And there was this beautiful thing I got from this makeup job. It was the fact that she made me realize that yeah, you can pray before starting your makeup, because I normally don't do that. And it was so sweet and beautiful when she was like, hey, can I pray? And I was like, hey, okay. So this been going over the highlighting process, the normal highlighting process.
Leaving, get in the taxi, kiss in the backseat of the driver, make the radio play, and I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I might be crazy, don't mind me. Say.
And then I'll be contouring her face with a black opacity foundation and a stippling brush. That's just like normal contour and highlighting process. Yeah, okay, so what do you think of my new intro video? Because I think I like it. It's simple, it's cute, it's different. It's not like Tife, the drama queen. So I'm setting her face here anyways, and then blending out the contoured areas first before I go in to blend out the concealed areas, like the highlighted areas. So as I was saying, guys, what do you think about my intro? And wait till you see my outro. Yeah, I love it. I love both of them. And yeah, this is me just blending out with this really technique brush that I've had like beginning of ages. Yeah, I'm just blending out the highlighted part, the concealer, and just blending it into the skin. As you can see, soft taps here and there, and you're good to go.
I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets.
In all honesty, if you know me, I'm not a fan of light skin makeup. Like, I literally would do anything not to do a light skin person's makeup. But after this, bro, I realized that yeah, I love light skin makeup. Like, going forward, hopefully I'll get to do more of this in 2023 because I fell in love for real though. Probably because I had a good foundation this time around, because every other foundation used to make it cakey, but this Micellar foundation was just the absolute best. As I've said, slide into my DM. You need one of these in your life, period. Okay, I wanted the under eyes to be toned up a bit more, so I added more concealer stroke foundation. That's Micellar foundation, by the way. It always gives a flawless finish. So yeah, I'm using my beauty sponge because I wanted to absorb extra products and keeping it all classy and clean. Bro, skin for days. Like, can you see how flawless her face is? You can see she was really happy. It was lightweight and all. Next, I'm applying my cream blush to her cheekbones and doing just patting, blushing, blending and all that. So keep watching, guys. After the blush process, I'm just going over my beauty sponge. The other side I use for concealing or blending the concealer to just absorb and blend the harsh lines and all that, because we're keeping it simple, sis. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking her powder shade from the Elegant Beauty powder palette. It's really a pigmented powder palette, so I'm using that to set her face. As you can see, I'm pressing the powder into her skin because and I'm defining her face underneath her cheekbones and all that. I'm pressing the powder into her skin. Afterwards, I decided to go in with the Beauty by AD setting powder as the baking powder, just as to set and bake it a bit. Yep, nothing too dramatic. As you can see, we are not doing any extra baking, just almost like we're setting it again. So I'm now setting the contour places with a powder shade darker than her normal powder, and that's just it, guys.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean.
Next is a brow, just a quick brow video, and that's just it. Nothing too dramatic. You can see it's not like the brows became really dark. No, it's just something light and cute. And yeah, that's just it. So this is me applying and blending out my Adventure concealer on the eyelid, and because I'm not going for anything dramatic, just something subtle and natural in a way. Yeah, I lost some clips because my phone shut down. So yeah, this is just me applying this kind of reddish brown, and that's just it. This is just the base, and this is after I was done applying the lashes. You can see it's nothing too dramatic, it's just like a bit of glitters, and that's it. Okay, this is me trying to show you guys the eyes since I could not make a video of the process, and this is cute and simple. So I'm just blending and dusting off the baked face, and you guys, I lost all the clips, so enjoy the rest of the beauty. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys were able to learn the basic things. You can see she's sitting pretty, looking gorgeous. She definitely ate and she loved her makeup. We, because it was a new eye, so we decided to go in with this red lipstick, and bro, she looks beautiful. Nothing too much, and yet so elegant and classy. So you see you guys next time. Now watch out for my outro. Bye guys, love you.
It's Black Girl here.